Hi everyone and welcome to Mad About 3D Printing. I don't usually do videos like this. I'm not going to drone on for ages. It's normally out to show you a printer printing something. But I want to share something with you today, and it's about a new printer that's being designed and is going to be released in the very near future by Mamorubot. Same people that brought you the Mamorubot polypropylene 3D printer build surface. Some of you love it, some of you hate it. People decide which one they want to use. Now, this new printer by Mamorubot is called the SX-4, and I think it's got a relatively good list of features and it's got some serious potential. Now, the SX-4 is a Core XY design printer. It's got a nice big 400 by 400 by 500 millimeter build volume. It's based on a Ramps pin set mainboard with A4982 stepper drivers, so it should be good and reliable. Some of the additional features though, first of all, is an all metal hot end. There's attached to a direct drive extruder setup, so you shouldn't get any of that sometimes associated Bowden tube filament retraction lag. You've also got two PSUs, so two power supplies. Good quality power supplies. One of them is dedicated for the main board and for the hot end. The second PSU, which is signal controlled via the solid state relay, is solely for the heat bed. So there's no more of that drawing all of that extra amperage through the main board, running the risk of burning out some of the circuitry on board there. Additionally, you've got auto bed leveling through the use of the very popular BLTouch bed leveling probe. Again, something which a lot of printers have, just like offsets or SSRs, except you don't tend to get all of them on one printer, certainly not from stock. More importantly, not within the sub $1,000 price range.
Suck my thumb and rip the bone. Change my diapers every time I make a boo-boo. Your life is ruined, there's nothing you can do. I'm 40 years old, but my brain is broken. Goo-goo gaga, I'm a baby weed smoking. The doctor says that my brain is swelling. Those words are too big, I am just a baby. Inside a man baby's body.